it's Wengie and Marshmello Hacks. We're here with Marshmello today because Marshmello Hacks with Marshmello. Marshmello has his very own marshmallows out exclusively at Walmart. They're called stuffed puffs. They're marshmallows stuffed with real chocolate inside. I'm gonna eat one right now because they're really, really good. No? Oh no, they're like your little babies, aren't they? Yeah, I guess I shouldn't have gotten Marshmello to eat marshmallow. But today we're gonna do some DIY marshmallow hacks. Are you ready? Yeah? Let's go. Alright guys, we're gonna be making Marshmello Snowman with stuffed puffs. You ready, Marshmello? Alright, so guys, all you need is a skewer and we're gonna, sword fight? Skewer fight? Okay, okay, is this a competition? So what we wanna do is grab 3 stuffed puffs. Alright, now we're gonna skewer them. Through the chocolate center. Oh, look, the insides are coming out. Look at your little stuffed puff marshmallow. Look, oh, I'm sorry, marshmallow. Okay, well, we're gonna skewer 3 of these to make a little snowman. We're gonna get this black icing right here. You wanna give it a little squeeze? Oh, that looks kind of gross, like black worms. But this is gonna be your face. Do you need a mirror? Or do you know what your face looks like? We're gonna draw the marshmallow face on. Does this look like you? Guys, are you done? You did well! Look at that! Does it look like you're looking in a mirror? No, you're better looking in real life. I know. Okay, so next we're gonna do a little buttons. 1, 2, 3. Haha! Oh, we got a little snowman! What does a snowman always wear? Yes, a scarf! We're gonna make some Twizzler scarves. No, not the whole. Okay, you can make a thick scarf. I'm gonna peel mine off though. All right, got a little. Are you okay there, Marshmello? We're gonna wrap it like this. Look at that, it's cute. There we go. Oh, yes, all right, we got it. What do you guys think? All right, guys, these are the Marshmello Snowmen. Let us know who did it better down below because Marshmello wanted to pick a fight, you know. Let's move on to the next hack. So Marshmello, have you ever caught a snowflake in your hand? Oh no? Oh, we gotta change that. We're gonna make snowflakes out of stuffed puffs. And then you can put it on your hand and pretend you caught it. Grab a stuffed puff, and then this is gonna be the middle of our snowflake. And then snowflakes usually have like 5 little arms, so we're gonna use toothpicks. I'm gonna make it look like a normal, regular snowflake. So something like this. Yes, we can do a creative snowflake. I like it. We're gonna get the mini baby marshmallow, and then we're gonna pop one in the middle right here, and then one on the end. It's a human. It's a marshmallow man. You should make a song called Marshmallow Man. We're gonna do this for every single arm. All right. Marshmello, what are you doing? Are you looking for? Okay. Marshmello, making a mess as usual. I've been watching Cooking with Marshmello and you always get up to no good. Should have expected that. What? No. Marshmello. Are you trying to sabotage me? Look, Marshmello, this is the snowflake. Look, it's coming down. Do you want to catch it with your hand? Ah. You can make the Marshmello snowflake that looks like that. You can make the Wengie snowflake that looks like this. We're gonna let it rain some marshmallows. Ah, it's raining! And we're done. Okay, Marshmello, I have a confession to make. I've never made a s'more before. We don't have s'mores in Australia. Lead the way, Marshmello. So we're gonna be making s'mores with Ritz crackers instead. Okay, you skewer. Oh, and you toast it. Oh, you gotta squish it onto the thing. Okay, whoa. Guys, it's melting. Something's smoking. Is this right, Marshmello? You put it on a cracker. Got it? And then you put the other part on top. And the best thing about these s'mores is the stuffed puffs have chocolate inside, so you can see the chocolate oozing out of the middle of the s'more. We're gonna try some. Cheers! Oh, it's good! You wanna try some of mine? Okay. Okay, this is really good, guys. All right, so we're making peanut butter marshmallow pops. Have you had them before? No? Well, you see these candy canes on the table? We're gonna actually make the pops on these. So the first thing we wanna do, marshmallow. First thing we're gonna do is get some peanut butter. Oh no, there's the label. Can you help me? Oh, look at that. The new peanut butter bay. Look at all that peanut butter. What are you doing? Oh look, I got some peanut butter in your nose. All right, so we're gonna melt the peanut butter. Ready? All right, guys, the peanut butter is melted. I need you to crush the graham crackers. Can you do that? There's a spoon for you to crush it. You're looking through the graham crackers. Oh, okay. I mean, they're crushed. You know we're gonna have to eat this, you know. Did you wash your hands? Oh no. We'll get our little candy cane. Guys, you don't eat the candy cane with the marshmallow. It's just for decoration. We're gonna put a marshmallow on the candy cane. So it's like a little pop. It's like an umbrella. Yeah, marshmallow umbrella. Marshmallow. Okay, bye. Bye, Marshmello Poppins. You broke your little candy cane. Oh, there we go. All brand new. Okay, now we dip it in the peanut butter. Yep. Oh my god, guys. This looks so good. No. Okay. And then the next step is to smear the peanut butter. And then you dip it into the graham crackers you prepared earlier. We crushed them well. Look at those pieces. That's it. And then you link them together. There we go, guys. This is the Marshmello Pops with stuffed puffs. All right, Marshmello, we're gonna be making Santas. Strawberry marshmallow Santas. Hey, did you ever receive presents when you were a kid? What are some of your favorite presents you received? Cash money, all right. Okay, cool, wait. Let's get into the hack. Okay, so let's grab a strawberry. No, actually that one looks weird. I'm gonna give you this one. Okay. So what you want to do is cut the little top part off because that's going to be the little hat. Then we're going to put a little stuffed puff face like that. I mean, it's a little big. To continue the hack, you're going to skewer everything together. Oh, isn't that cute? It's cute, right? The optional part of this hack is you can add a little nub. What do you think of the little nub? The final touch is to draw the marshmallow face. I draw on yours, you draw on mine? Okay. There we go. Oh no, it's a sad Santa. What does mine look like? Final touches. Oh, doing a masterpiece. And we're done? What is this? Oh, he's doing a little unhappy dance. He's doing a little unhappy dance. There we go. Oh, this is the end of the DIY. I'm sure your marshmallow will look better than this one. Alright guys, so now we're gonna be making a stuffed puff milkshake. Have you had one of these before? Marshmallow's favorite drink, stuffed puff milkshake. You should know the recipe, right? Alright, let's do it. So you need 2 tablespoons of vanilla powder. I'm gonna let you do that while I pour 2 cups of milk. Alright, are you DJing on the vanilla powder? Oh, I can't get to the powder. What are we gonna do? What is this? It's like he's got superpowers. 1, 2. No. Tablespoons marshmallow, not cups. All right. 1, 2. Now we need to melt the marshmallow. Maybe we have superpowers. Maybe we'll try and melt it with our hands, right? All right, let's go. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! We did it, marshmallow. We melted it. Yes. Oh, I'm sorry. Did that burn you? Whoa, look at that, guys. That's so good. Oh my god. Yum. That looks good. Especially when it will be blended together. Yay. Okay, we can't leave the spoon inside though. You just put a candy cane in there. That wasn't part of the recipe. Take that. No. We almost had an acorn shake. Whoa. Okay. We're marshmallow. We're gonna quickly blend this before we end up with more stuff in there. Ah! Marshmallow, what are you doing? Ah! smells really good. Marshmello. Okay, fine. Let's try it with the candy canes. I know you've been wanting to add that as an extra topping. What did you do? Gotta... tastes good. We almost made it through without an accident, okay? Oh, look at that. I love that. Looks really good. Do you want to try it? Oh, Marshmello. Was it good though? At least it tastes good, guys. All right, guys, you've made a mess, Marshmello. Well, I guess what did we expect with Marshmello Hacks with Marshmello? He's got a Cooking with Marshmello series where he's constantly making a mess. So I guess I should have expected it. Let us know which one your favorite hack was down below, your favorite DIY that Marshmello messed up. And don't forget to check out my Christmas song, Ugly Christmas Sweater. Please play it during the holiday season. It is perfect, really addictive. Check it out on my music channel right now, or search Wengie Ugly Christmas Sweater. And then I'll be back tomorrow next week with a new video. So see you guys then. Bye guys, love you. Mwah. Let's do a heart. Merry Christmas, guys. Love from Marshmello and Wengie.